it's a look made famous by Angelina Jolie. She is known for those plump, full looks. And if you've admired the Angelina pout, now you can have sexier, fuller lips within minutes. Dr. Steve Jepson is here to explain the science behind Juvederm. I think everyone can look at Angelina Jolie and say, yeah, I want that. It's just that fun, pouty, full look. And you say this is actually the most popular non-surgical procedure in the country?
It's one of the most popular non-surgical procedures in the country. You know, non-surgical ways to enhance your appearance are becoming more and more popular, and full lips are in style now. Angelina Jolie, I think, has brought them back into style. Most people don't want them that pouty,
right.
Because then it's obvious. But we can do a lip enhancement just as an enhancement to give people a kind of a sexier, poutier look without going overboard.
And I think people have that concern. They think lip, enhancement. They think it's got to be big, but you can make it look very natural.
Yeah, that's the first thing people tell me is, I'm not sure I want to be Angelina Jolie big, but I want my lips to look nicer. I want them to look fuller, and we can do that with Juvederm.
So let's talk about Juvederm. How does it work exactly?
So Juvederm is made out of hyaluronic acid. It's kind of a soft gel. Hyaluronic acid is a material that occurs naturally in your body anyway, so there's no allergic reactions to this. There's no concern for side effects from this. It's a soft material that you would just simply inject into the lip. It draws water into that area, kind of expands the gel a little bit, and then just kind of makes your lips nicer and bigger. Here's a nice example. I think it's common that a lot of people will have one lip that's much larger than the other lip, as she has a larger bottom lip than a lower lip. And we've just simply added some Juvederm to that top lip, and you can see how it kind of makes her lips more symmetrical, kind of a fuller, nicer look. Here's a nice example of somebody who really didn't have any lips. Very thin lips. You can see the wrinkles more enhanced around the mouth. In the after shot, we just simply added a little bit of volume to her lips. It gave her a nice normal look to her lip. See what it did to the wrinkles around her mouth, though, and so just made her look much younger.
Much younger and so natural.
I think that's completely natural. We didn't have to take her to the Angelina Jolie point. Here's an older lady who, as you age, what happens is your lips kind of regress and they kind of turn in and they lose their volume. We've simply added Juvederm to the upper, to the lower, and once again given her the lips that she had when she was 25 or 30, take 10 years off her face. And that whole procedure takes 20 minutes. We simply just do a little bit of numbing medicine in the mouth, and then I just take a needle and I just slightly inject a little bit into the lips, the upper, the lower. Can actually do an injection that kind of can turn up the corner of the mouth a little bit. As you age, your mouth corner falls. And then I can also, a very common problem that women get as they age is their lipstick will bleed up into the lines up in the upper mouth. And I can add some Juvederm just along the border of the lip to kind of give that natural border back, that natural shelf back, and that'll block the lipstick from bleeding up into the upper lip.
You're injecting, really years, life into the lips. How long does the procedure last?
The Juvederm lasts for about 6 months, anywhere from 6 to 8 months, I tell people, and it's a nice procedure.
Okay, well, if you've been thinking about it, maybe you can relate to some of the problems those women experience, the pictures that we saw. Give Dr. Jepson a call, and you have a great special going on right now.
We have a great special going on. It's called Younger by Monday.
That's a hook right there.
I know. You can look Younger by Monday. 6 things: Juvederm lip enhancement, microdermabrasion, brow wax, buff and polish of the nails, spray tan, and haircut and color. All for $600.
$600. That is a significant discount if you add up all of those services individually. You look younger by Monday. The name of that package you can ask for by calling Dr. Jepson's office. Of course, his website, udmpc.com. We'll have all of that information on our website as well, including more details on Juvederm if you're interested in that procedure specifically. Dr. Jepson, thanks so much.
Thank you.